What's up, guys? We're here in Vienna, Austria. I'm gonna check out the town, see what's going on, eat some good food, drink some good beer.
And do some walking tours and just do some touristy stuff. So.
That's right. All right. A line for coffee.
And the chocolate cake.
Oh yeah, the chocolate on chocolate cake.
That's what they're known for here.
It's crazy.
So it's actually kind of nice to come in the afternoon, evening, before sunset, because a lot of people are not here compared to if you come early in the morning. So it's kind of a benefit for us.
It looks like the horse carriages are less busy too, and you could ride around. I believe it's like 50 or 55 euro for a ride for 20 minutes, whether it's 2 people in the carriage or 4 people. It's still the same price, I believe.
And I think I'm gonna see if we can get one, work it.
Check that out. That oozes cheese goodness. Is delicious.
And really good is they poke a hole in there and put mustard and ketchup, it looks like. So then it's not messy, it's all just in a roll.
That's right. It's our hotel for 2 nights. Just for 2 nights. It's got a small 1-bedroom room. Doesn't have much of a view though.
Cute little amusement park, or I don't know what kind of gardens it is, but it's right behind us.
Yeah, let's go check it out. It's Prater Music Park, I believe. I think I pronounced that right. I could be totally butchering that.
That's like a lot of the words around here. Difficult.
Beer garden inside of a music park. It's pretty cool. Let's go check out the menu. Be something to ride after about 3 or 4 beers in the beer garden.
Looking at it.
Ride a pony for $4 or €4. There's another ride to do after 3 or 4 beers.
I don't even think 3 or 4 beers, maybe 0 would get you nauseous.
It was only €5. That was a music park. It's free to get in. Everything's a la carte.
We think there may be an all-inclusive tax, but
Maybe.
I can't read it.
Yeah, it's not in English. Some of the Roman ruins. So I suppose that's the horse from Paramount Pictures, or the stallion.
Yes.
I don't know.
And they bite.
They bite.
Yes, that's what he said.
Oh.
St. Stephen Cathedral over there, and here the creatures at the west facade are looking like dogs fighting against the devil, so that it is not possible to enter the church. Safe inside. And we are praying to whom? To the patron. The patron, St. Stephen Church. St. Stephen painted at the altar. Peter Church, Peter painted at the altar. Maria Church, Maria painted. So I'm responsible for the rooms. Yeah, it has been a YMCA more or less. Yeah. So young men and Christians on the way to Jerusalem to fight for Jesus, and they had to make a stop here. They came from England to France and to Germany, and had to make a stop here, and then to Venice.
Seems like every restaurant has a line.
It's very busy. Let's try this chicken out with the salad.
Yeah. So the veal schnitzel, the Vienna schnitzel. Put some of that on there. What did you think of it? I think the cranberry made the make sense. There's all the flavors in the cranberry. Yeah, so this is where we had lunch. Had the veal Vienna schnitzel, and you had the chicken and salad. It's pretty good stuff. Y'all can try it out. All right, let's go check out St. Stephen's Church. I believe it's free to get in, €6 to ride the elevator or walk all the way up.
And I think the walk is like €5.
Oh, okay, so it's $1 more to do the elevator. Okay. Each one of those tiles were donated by the residents here, or the citizens.
Catholics.
Yeah, the Catholic citizens here. So the original roof, of course, burned down in World War I.
This one is the lower tower. There's a higher one, but you have to walk with stairs. And it's not much taller. It's just right around this corner, and you can see.
Oh, let's check it out. Yeah, because we love the elevator up here.
Yeah.
You can see the other tower that you can walk up to. Where those people are right there.
He's waving.
Looks like they got it upstairs too.
Oh yeah. They have like 2 or 3 levels.
Statue of Saint Joseph. I think the guide said that he started World War I. Is that right? I could have that totally wrong.
I think we need to do homework on history.
Vienna Opera House.
Yes, you got it right.
So yeah, this town was built on Mozart and Beethoven. So they got the ringers over there.
Just the one kind.
All right. This place got flautas and Mediterranean food. Let's go try this other stand out and see what they got. All right, check that out. Then we got a beer. That's delicious. So with the beer, the snack here with fries and the sausage, $9 or €9.